Yay, we made it to Sliver Falls State Park. Woo woo. On this trail, you can see up to 10 falls. It's 7.2 miles long. We did not go that whole route. We were getting hungry, but we will show you the 2 falls that we did see. You guys, hold on tight. It was muddy. Look at the mud. I'm so glad we didn't slip and fall. Now I'm gonna act like I never held an iPhone to record anything before. Sorry guys that it's kind of like lopsided and a little crazy. It was very narrow and I was trying not to get people's faces in my video. So I'm trying to like maneuver around. One way. Keep looking up just so you guys can kind of get an idea of like how tall this waterfall really is, and also to get a texture look of the mountain hill that this waterfall is coming out of. It was very rugged, which is awesome. I'm glad they didn't try to carve any more out of, like you had to bend down to get around certain areas. There was mini caves that kids were playing in. I mean, it was really cool. And here are some of the pictures of the caves that their children were either climbing up on or going inside. I mean, it was really cool. If I had a lumber body, I'd be doing the same thing. But I just want to be like, peekaboo. I don't know if there's any bats in there. I did not want to disturb them, but we're going to keep on walking and head over to another waterfall. So steep, so wet, everything. Huh. Shh, let's get off the trail and get closer to the water. You guys, look how tall these trees are. Hey up there. Hi, how you doing? Ooh, this is a totally Lord of the Rings moment. I'm looking for Frodo. I swear he was in there hiding. Anywho, enjoy the rest of the pictures. I'll be the first to say thank you, whomever put those rails there, because not only does it stop you from not falling off the edge and tumbling down, but it was so wet and slippery, you had something to hold onto, that way you didn't fall on your butt. apologize ahead of time that this video is so late being uploaded. We actually did this in October, so that's why I was fascinated by the fall leaves and trying to capture that moment for you guys of the changing of the colors. That was a fun hike. We are now heading back home. Check out this cool old bridge. Scenery, so beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the falls as much as we did. See you later, traveler.